Good morning, class. If you can believe it, this is our fourth Monday in distance learning. But before we begin talking about that, I just want to say thank you for all of the lovely cards and gifts and kind words and drawings that you sent for my birthday. It is a lot of fun to open up the mailbox and see more cards and letters than bills. So I really appreciate it, and I'm very touched that you thought of me, and thank you. So we're going to move forward with our distance learning this week, and we're going to start wrapping up the unit How We Express Ourselves, where we have read a lot of stories talking about um, the different Cinderella stories, the folk tales, the lessons that were learned. And now it's time for you to think of which one was your favorite. So my favorite tends to be the Salmon Princess. And what I'm going to ask you to do is to do a couple of things. Now I typed this all up in the lesson for today, and you have all week. And I don't want you to stress. I want you to have fun. And I want you to start thinking about one, what was your favorite story? Two or three reasons why it was your favorite. And you're going to draw a poster, and you're also going to write about it. And so as you move forward, you can reflect on those stories. I gave you resources to do so. But you want to think about your favorite story, and then you also want to think about in your mind or play this video again and think, what was my favorite part of the book? Was it this part? Was it maybe before when she got the dress, when the eagle drops it down and she ends up with a beautiful dress? Or maybe for you it was when she was at the carnival and you could draw that and she meets the man she's going to marry. And so think about the stories, which was your favorite. Also read Cinder Edna, and then you can access some of the benchmark stories as well. Cinderlad you might have to do from memory. However, you probably could find it on YouTube if you wanted to look at that. So poster and write which one was your favorite and give 2 to 3 reasons why. Please read the directions carefully because I really want you to elaborate. If you say, in Cinderlad, I really like the bowl, okay, period, elaborate on that. Write another sentence or two. Why did you like the bowl? So that's kind of a project we're going to work on. And then we're going to start already thinking about our next unit. So we have left is sharing the planet, or where we are in place and time. So there's going to be clues starting right now in this video as to which one we're going to do. And then hopefully Thursday we'll start thinking about what the central idea is as well. So this week also we're going to continue on in geometry, and I hope to do an art lesson later this week. I found a great artist that kind of goes with our geometry theme, so we're going to combine those two things together. So going back to what our unit could be. Well, one of the things I did on my birthday was I requested my favorite foods. I know oftentimes when there's a birthday in the classroom, I'll ask all of you, oh, what are you going to eat tonight? Usually it's a favorite meal. So for breakfast, we had croissants from Freeport Bakery. I did request that. We also ate Thai food. And the day before, Marissa and I had made strawberry ice cream, and from fresh strawberries, it was divine. So that's what we ate, but we also played games, we talked to family, went for a nice long walk, and just enjoyed our quiet time together. So that is what I did, but that is also a clue into what our next unit is. So I hope that you have a wonderful week. I hope that you continue to stay balanced. And remember that outside of the reading and the math, the things that you're doing with your family is important and special. And that being outside in the garden, cooking with your family, playing games, using your imagination, that is learning too. And so I hope that you have a very wonderful week. I miss you and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. And hopefully, I'll start hearing about what your favorite story was. And I will see you then. Have a good day.